Like many of you, I witnessed the rather remarkable sight yesterday of President Trump addressing the United Nations. And in response to some of his many boasts about what a great job he's been doing, you saw diplomats in the audience openly laughing at him. And this was quite remarkable. I can't think of any time I've ever seen anything like this before. The man has become a laughing stock. He's made the presidency the laughing stock of the world. If you describe something as a laughing stock, it basically means lots of people find it ridiculous, they find it silly, they find it stupid, and they feel free to laugh at it. As one of my American friends on Facebook posted this morning, forget making America great again. Just making us not the laughing stock of the world would be nice.